Forget AI chatbots. Kimi K3 isn't just answering questions anymore. It can actually finish entire projects by itself. And after watching the official demo, this might be one of the biggest AI launches of the year. Developed by Moonshot AI, Kimi K3 is designed to work more like a real employee than a chatbot. Instead of waiting for your next prompt, it plans tasks, makes decisions, and keeps working until the job is complete. One of its biggest strengths is coding. Kimi K3 can read massive code bases, understand thousands of files, write production-ready code, debug errors, run tests, and continuously improve projects without you having to guide every step. But coding is just the beginning. Kimi K3 can also build complete websites, create interactive dashboards, generate presentations, write reports, organize spreadsheets, and handle complex research from start to finish. It also has powerful multimodal capabilities. Kimi K3 understands text, images, and videos together. It can analyze screenshots, inspect user interfaces, and even use what it sees to improve its own work. One of the most impressive demos shows Kimi K3 creating a browser-based 3D game with realistic environments, while another shows it editing a video by selecting clips, syncing them with music, and refining the final edit automatically. Thanks to its massive context window, Kimi K3 can remember huge amounts of information, making it capable of handling large documents, long conversations, and entire software projects in a single workflow. The future of AI isn't just answering prompts, it's getting work done. Do you think Kimi K3 can compete with ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini? Let me know in the comments and follow for more AI updates.